Okay, welcome to the third video of the series, and in this video we're gonna teach you how to make 2-digit format working. Okay, so in order to do that we need to go to Google and then we're gonna search for Flutter intl pub. It's gonna be a library where you can use it's on pub.dev Dart website, and then we're gonna click on installing right here, and then we have to put this in our pubspec.yaml file. So the pubspec.yaml file is in the project, and then you can see right here. Then we have to paste that under the dependency. So go ahead and make sure you indent it right, because it does matter for indentation in this kind of file. And then you have to click the pub.get or use the command line. I'm not sure what it is because I usually using IDE. It's much easier. And then we can start create some format. You can set it up somewhere right here. We're going to create a variable, then we call it f. I'm going to set it to number format. And once you click this, I think it's gonna import or not. Let's see. So you have to import from here. So click the same thing, option return, and then because it's gonna suggest you to import, then it's gonna import this library right here. And then we're gonna set some format to be 00. So the way you call that is gonna be we're gonna copy this first, and then we call it f.format, and then we're gonna pass in the value, which is minutes. And then we're gonna do the same thing for second as well. So f.format and then pass in the value. Easy as that. And then we're gonna start hot reloading the app, and hopefully it will look nice and clean like this. So once you start clicking on the start button, it's gonna start counting down. Once you click the stop, because the timer is gonna stop, but okay, and hard reload again. Okay, now it's working. So I have to set state over here, and I'm gonna test it on a little bit about setting its initial value to be 10 seconds, and we're gonna give it a try if it's reached 0 now, and we just want to see if it's done, how it's gonna look like. So let's see, let's have a look. 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Then it's gonna display right here. So I hope you enjoyed this video so far. Please give us a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Stay tuned for the next video. Happy coding!